Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today a new mini album tip. The tip today is make cascading pages. Cascading pages are basically pages that are gradually getting smaller and smaller. So you have different size pages in your mini album, and that will make your mini album much more interesting and fun. So the first mini album with cascading pages is a butterfly mini album. It's really easy to do. You have a link to the full video, including the measurements and the instructions under the video. The link is there. You can go ahead, grab it, and then get to the full video to create this cascading pages butterfly mini album. So you see that the pages are getting smaller and smaller as we go inside the mini album. And once you are finished attaching all your pages, then you can simply cover them with any cover paper that you want. You can create this mini album for any occasion or any holiday or any purpose, because you can choose your cover papers and then make your own design. So this is how the basic mini album looks. You see how fun it is when the pages have different size and they gradually grow bigger or smaller depending on the direction. So now let's cover it with some cover papers, and then you'll see how the mini album looks when it's finished. It's really fun. Nobody said that mini album pages have to be the same size, right? So this is how it looks when it's finished. Isn't this fun? You can change the size of your photos, your journaling, and have a really fun mini album. So the next one also has cascading pages, but only to one direction. This is a pyramid mini album, and again, you can get all the measurements in the full video. There is a link under this video to get to the full video step-by-step instructions on how to make this. I just wanted to give you this tip to make more interesting mini album pages. So we are attaching the gradually smaller pages, aligning them with the edge to create the mini album. And once we are done with that, again, we can cover it with any type of cover paper in your stash to create your mini album. The only thing you need to add is your cover, and then you get really fun pages for your mini album. So I really hope you like this tip. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. And of course, use all these really easy and fun tips for your mini album or your mini albums. So I'm just covering my pages with cover papers, and again, you have the link to the full video and the measurements in the description under the video. So I'm not leaving you without a way to make both mini albums. So this is the finished pyramid mini album. Again, you can make a pocket here on the left, and look how fun these pages are, gradually going bigger and bigger. Isn't that fun? So this month mini album tip is making cascading pages in your mini album, and we had 2 ideas. I really hope you like them. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.